Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers. Cheap Clinton, local and long-distance movers, near me. When you are relocating miles away, you need a professional moving company to accommodate your long-distance move. Whether you are reshifting to a new city, state, or crossing borders, our moving team will ensuring a smooth moving experience. Leave every moving-related activity to us, from supplying packing materials to transporting your things. Our moving team will handle everything. We work professionally, are experienced in executing moving processes, and offer all of the following moving solutions. Do you need to hire the help of a local moving company with your local move in Clinton? Our moving crew, at 3 men and a truck, is happy to assist. We will pack and load your things, all the while ensuring their safety until they are unpacked at your new space. We assure the completion of your moving process in record time without compromising the quality of our services. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Clinton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.